Good morning, students. Today we will see the numericals of colligative property, elevation of boiling point. So you see the problem first. This is the problem that 18 gram of glucose C6H12O6 is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boil at 1.013 bar? Kb for water is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. So that means you see again that 18 gram of glucose dissolved in 1 kg of water. That means here water is the solvent. So this 1 kg of water, that is your solvent, that is W1. So 1 we consider as a solvent and 2 component we consider as a solute. So here 18 gram of glucose, that means that is a solute. So that means W2, that is your 18 gram of glucose. Now whenever we add the glucose in 1 kg water, then we have to find out the boiling point of this. That means we have to find out the boiling point of the solution. So after adding the glucose, what will be the boiling point of the solution? And Kb for water, that is given, that is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. So that is given. So first we will convert the 18 gram of glucose to that of the number of moles. So number of moles of glucose here, number of moles of glucose that will be equal to given mass divided by the molar mass. So given mass is your 18 gram of glucose. Molar mass, if you see the formula, then its molar mass will come out to 180 gram per mole. So 180 gram per mole. So gram will be cancelled. 18 by 180, that is equal to 0.1. So mole inverse, that means that is mole. So this is the number of moles of glucose. Now here the mass of the solvent, that is given in kg. So the molality of the solution, that is m. That is equal to number of moles of solute, divided by number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg, that means number of moles, that is 0.1 mole, divided by mass of solvent, that is given 1 kg. So 1 kg. So that means 0.1 divided by 1 means 0.1 mole kg inverse, mole per kg, that is the molality. So already you know, now we know now delta TB, elevation of boiling point, that is equal to Kb into m, molality. That means that is equal to Kb, you see here, that is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. So 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole into, that is m is equal to 0.1 mole per kg. So into 0.1 mole per kg. So mole per kg and kg per mole, that will be cancel out, and if you multiply it, so that will be coming out 0.052 Kelvin. So that is the elevation of boiling point. We have to find out the boiling point of the solution. Now you see that boiling point of pure solvent means pure water. Again, boiling point of pure water, that already we know, that is equal to 373.15 Kelvin. Boiling point of water 100 degrees centigrade we know. So in a Kelvin scale we have to add 273.15. So that will come out 373.15 Kelvin. So therefore boiling point of the solution, BP of solution, that will be equal to boiling point of pure water, that is 373.15 Kelvin plus elevation of boiling point. So how much it is? That is, if you see here, that is elevation of boiling point delta TB, that is coming out 0.052 Kelvin. So you add here 0.052 Kelvin plus 0.052 Kelvin. So that means if we add, this will come out 373 point, that will be 255, 5 plus 5 10, 0, so 1 plus 1 2. So that is, so that means you see that will be your 373.202 Kelvin. So this is the boiling point of the solution. So this is for today. Thank you.